Email number 3. Epiphany. It's time to share something you haven't thought of before. Make them want to know your solution. My epiphany was blank, and that's when I blank. I had to address the problem of being overweight, and that's when I discovered blank, right? X supplement or whatever affiliate product or service you're offering. The epiphany should tie into the solution and the product you're selling. Okay, so your subject. My subject was my $100,000 epiphany. Okay, I was sitting in my room at my parents' house, reevaluating my college situation and what I wanted to pursue in life. While reading Tim Ferriss's 4-Hour Work Week, I had calculated out what I would need to be making per day to live the lifestyle of my dreams. I'm talking sports car, $70,000 plus, rent paid, travel, working from home, investment properties, and dinner dates with my woman. $274 per day is what I would need to make this happen. Okay, they're going to get surprised at that. They're going to be like, "Wow, only what? Only 274? I thought I needed $1 million a day." You know. So, but obviously in that book I learned that. So 274 a day is what I would need to make this happen. In late 2016, I found the perfect source of income that was both automated and passive that made me a consistent income of more than $300 plus per day. More than enough to live the dream life. I just filmed this blank webinar PDF. Obviously, it's going to be more detailed than the last one. In the link below to show you the exact implementation of how I did this. Let me know what you think. And then the link that you put in the third email, this should be your hard offer, or this should be your affiliate product, your affiliate service, your high ticket item. This should be it, the link to that. Okay, so it's going to be a link to like a PDF you create for them or some sort of video, webinar, whatever it may be, with your affiliate product or offer right below it. So it's going to be you're going to put the link to your landing page in this email. Okay, make sure it's the link to your landing page with the affiliate offer, the affiliate product or service. Okay, so this is where you actually sell them. Email 4 is going to be the hidden benefits. Okay, so feature the hidden benefits. Sure, you're going to make more money, but you're also going to get more time to travel. Sure, you're going to be able to work from home, but you also get to work wherever you please, Tahiti, Thailand, or your backyard pool. This is the time to form an even stronger bond with your subscriber and get them to purchase that product. Okay, this is like your second attempt if they didn't quite buy it in the first. So the subject, the hidden benefits, and then you can read this paragraph. I just kind of went over the hidden benefits, and then I put the link to my landing page again, or the direct link to the affiliate product or service, since I already have their email. Then if they don't hook with this, if they don't purchase after this email, then this is what your last email is for in the sequence. Okay, this is the last call, the urgency, the call to action. This is going to get them to buy. So you're going to want to start off with only a certain number of spots left, offer expires in the next 24 hours, you're going to pull the offer offline, etc. Just be creative, come up with a legitimate reason to get them to buy. You don't want to lie about it, but you want to make it urgent. So I recommend creating some sort of offer, whether it's you could find an affiliate product that has a special discount and just say, you're going to pull that offer offline, because really you can. It's your affiliate link. You could pull that affiliate link off your landing page and say, I'm not offering this product anymore. So this is the last call email. The subject will be last call. Then you'll say, I've been talking about this extra stream of automated income all week and how you can get a spot for a discounted price. But that special offer is going away today. If you read this email tomorrow, I'm sorry, but there's no more spots left. If you're reading this on time and want to take me up on the offer, you can get it here. Boom, put your affiliate offer link or your landing page and then address them. Okay, so that's it. That's the soap opera sequence. Okay, lots of drama, lots of action in there, and lots of selling, right? Lots of convincing and selling. But the benefit of it is because you're not in a rush. You're not in a rush to sell this affiliate product to them. You're qualifying them first. You're making them read that message. You're getting them invested. They're spending their time reading your email. They're spending their time getting to know you. They're emotionally invested. So once you get them emotionally invested, it's much easier to sell. Okay, and that's sales psychology 101. So let's move on to the next one, and then we'll end this video. So what do you do after the sales sequence? Okay, after the soap opera sequence, what do I email them after? If they don't buy the product, that's fine. You could just follow up with them. If they do buy the product, still going to follow up with them with the daily Seinfeld sequence. And this is something most of you probably know if you've ever opted into an email list. It's just kind of like people that, they already know you. Your subscribers already know you. So now you could kind of send out these daily emails, whether it be a how-to, a Q&A, an inspirational message, an idea. These are all different types of emails you could send out every single day, and automate this if you want. But yeah, that is the sales sequence. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I want you to apply what you learned. And remember, emails are an asset. The bigger you build your list, the bigger your asset is, okay? You can make money off your emails through affiliate marketing, or you can even, utilize your list with some other person that has a product or offer, right? So this is a great way to affiliate market. I think ultimately this is the best way. It's the easiest way and most automated. So I hope you take what you learned in this video, apply it, and in the next one, I'm going to go over ClickFunnels and how you can utilize ClickFunnels to optimize your opt-in page, when you get more experience. Obviously, it is a premium product. It does cost a high premium per month. So that's why I recommend just starting off with a nice landing page through HostGator or something like that. And then, automating your emails through MailChimp, much more cost effective. But we will go into ClickFunnels next.